Welcome to Piggypower. We're going to do a pollen filter change on a Honda Jazz. You're going to need a pollen filter and your hands. That's all you're going to need for this job. Pollen filter CF10073, or cabin filter as some like to call it. Get that ready. It's behind here. You'll notice, if I tip you upside down, that there is a little oval hole there and a little oval hole there. You get your fingers in there and give that a bit of a pull in those both locations. You can see it coming out already. It is easy with two hands. Right, don't spill the contents of your glove box everywhere. And behind there, that white bit there that says airflow down, got Honda on the middle of it, that is your pollen filter. So, or cabin filter. So all we have to do is just lift these tabs aside, like that, and just basically pull on them very gently, and it unclips and reveals an absolutely filthy pollen filter. So let's deal with that outside the car. And then you just lift it up and put it aside. That has been in there for some time. That gives you a little case to put your new filter in. Like a bag of crisps. Let's get this open. Don't get it grubby. As mentioned, airflow in this direction. Always note that. And we've got an airflow in this direction, so it's going to go that way. Pop back in. We get inside the vehicle. Aim for the little letterbox hole, and just push back in. Clips in. Make sure it's tight. Yeah, that's not tight, loose at all. That's good. Get your piece of your glove box. No one ever puts gloves in their glove box anymore. Make sure it's all lined up. And push back in till it clicks. There we go. Pollen filter, cabin filter, done.